Hi everyone, this is a video who wants to begin programming Python and deep learning. This time I code in int from bytes method. Int from bytes method converts byte sequence structure of 1 byte equal 8 bits into int type. Byte sequence is as this. Equal oh, I executed this as a shell script here. Python. Interactive mode is open. OK. Int period from byte or add s b x00 slash x00 back slash single quotation period byte order is big here. Oh, close. Okay, 0. This is 0. B is added before the byte sequence literal. Next. Oh, here is single quotation. This. Oh. Okay. Okay, not option. Backslash. Here. 0 to 1. Enter. 16. Okay. Next. Here. Okay. Here. Oh, x is left. Okay. 0 to 1. Enter. Oh, no. Here. Okay. 4096. 4096 is multiplied to 156 by 16. If you change the parameter byte order from big to little, the most significant byte is placed at the end of the byte sequence, and the least is placed at the beginning of the sequence. Int from bytes null here. This is 0. Byte order little. Same as this. Next. Okay, this 0 to 1. 256. Okay. Next. Large number. 101 backslash x00 single quotation. Byte order is little. Same as before. Here we go. 256. Okay. This x to 1. Oh. No. Okay. Here 0 to 1. Okay. This is mathematical operation of binary numbers. And the third parameter on int from bytes method, signed. If signed is true, it uses two complements. What is complement? Complement is used for operation of binary numbers. For example, I show you sequence of decimal numbers and binary numbers. This is a decimal number. This is binary number. Decimal 1 expressed as 4 digit 0001. Binary number is the same 0001. And decimal 0002. Binary number 0010. Its difference and this swapped 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So 1's complement of 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 1's complement of 0, 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 1's complement 1, 1, 0, 0. Yes. And 2's complement is add 1 to 1's complement. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1's to complement is 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0's to complement is 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So this is a sequence of this. This is 8 digit, 4 8 digit number sequence. It's 1's complement. And this decimal number is 1. And when parameter signed is true, add 1 to above. Okay. So this code from bytes. B single quotation backslash xfe backslash xff backslash xff backslash xff single quotation byte order equal little signed equal true. True is uppercase. Okay. True's first character is uppercase. Enter. Oh, type error. Oh, here. No. Here. Okay. -2 is output. Okay, that's it for this time. Thank you for watching this video. See you again on next video. Bye bye.